Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Alright, well we got cross stitch. Get it out here. Hang on. Bag's a little stuck to everything. For some reason. Alright. We have two stamped cross-stitch kits. And these come from DiamondArtDecor. And if you didn't know, that is formerly the DIY Choose Store. They have a new name. So we have new information for them. Now, if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, it'll be right along here and also in the description box below. So let's get on to the first cross stitch kit. All right, this has a little bit of residue right there. I don't know if that was from the bag or what, but anyway, I will get it out of the bag and let's take a closer look. It is a Joy Sunday kit. Comes in the lovely Joy Sunday bag. It is kind of like a Ziploc bag, but it is not waterproof. It does have a hole here and a hole on the front too, so that the canvas and everything inside can breathe. So in case you're in a humid place, yeah, very nicely done. So this is kind of long and skinny. But isn't it cute? I just thought it was precious. I just love it. And I like the beach. Don't get me wrong. I'm just not one of those people that buy beachy things. We don't have a beach here at all. So anyway, it's called Seaside Villages. It's 14 count and it's 54 by 21. And it was $7.59. And there's going to be some back stitching, but that's going to make, excuse me, that's going to make the whole thing. And it is pre-stamped canvas. Let's take a look at the booklet. It's 251 wide by 89 high. And it's broke up into 3 separate pages. Isn't that cool? I just think it's going to be cute. I love it. All right. We have a total of 29 colors. You have 28 of those colors in full stitch. You have 5 colors in back stitch and 1 in French knot. And that's for the little flowers. Can you see it there? So it's all on one full page. So that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the colors. Okay, I know there's got to be. No, there is not any. Okay, there's no 310 black. That's kind of weird in itself. No 823, no 939, no 3371. Haven't heard of any of these colors. So this will be interesting. And the white that they're using is B5200 that I have heard of, but yeah, none of the majors. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, the canvas is nice and soft. And get the canvas out, or the colors out of here. We're having issues today here. I gotta get everybody undone. Does come with 2 needles. It comes on one of those lovely cards that we've explained before. Has the product number here. And aren't they beautiful colors? They're kind of, they're peachy. No, well, they are. But they're kind of pastel. There's not, you know, there's a real dark green. But other than that, and maybe that dark teal there. And there's some darker brown. But very nicely done. Seems to be a lot of thread. This is a partial. That means that the canvas is not totally full. Let's open it up. I told you it was going to be long and skinny. This would be perfect for somebody's beach house. It's just well done. Very nice. And it has a nice key. I'm going to kind of fold it together so it doesn't thin it out so you can't read it. But you can actually read all the numbers. These are your back stitches. These are your regular stitch symbols. And your French knots right here. But this is very nicely done. It is not confettied. You might have a little bit here and there. But yeah, this is way doable. Does have the product number up here. And the name of it. And how big it is. Now, let's see if I can find my... Oh, I found it. I found it. So it's not too terribly long. It is... 53 centimeters, or dang near 21 inches by 8¼ inches, or 21 centimeters. Actual picture size is just, it's 6½ inches wide, the actual picture, by, whoop, if I could just keep it there, almost 18 inches, or 45½ centimeters. And this is very nice material. It's really kind of lightweight. It's going to be easy to hold in your hand. And the reason I said it's a partial, because you see this white going along that dark line? All that white is not stitched. But very nice indeed. I'm glad I got this one. I really like this. I may start this. It's just, and like I said, the back stitching is going to help. Do you see how the building is not real defined? Well, once you get that back stitching in there, it's going to be lovely. Just absolutely lovely. And then get all the grass tufts up there. I love it. Love, love, love it. Very nice, guys. All right, are you ready for the next one? The next one is also a Joy Sunday kit, same bag. This one is 53 by 37, at least that's what that says. It was $10.49. It feels like there's a lot more in this. Now maybe I got that wrong, but we're gonna get it out. We're gonna find out what's going on. This seems like it's way bigger than 54, so maybe I wrote it down wrong. If I could just get it out of the bag. Some days. All right. Move the bag. Get it out of my way. Huh. Wow. Okay. It says 14 count. And it is 14 count. Maybe, I don't know. We're going to have to see. This is a partial as well. Isn't that pretty? Look at all the stuff. I don't know if I had this or not. It kind of looks familiar, but yet on the other hand, maybe not so much. I love the teacups that are all sitting there. I don't know why it's such a, maybe because this is heavier. I have no idea. We got a few extra colors here. It's divided into 8 parts. It's going to be some back stitching. Huh. That is so weird. It only has back stitch and full stitch. It's 248 by 164. It's got to be bigger than that. Huh. Okay, we're going to find out here in a second. It's driving me crazy. All right, what do we got here? And this might be one of the older kits. This is pretty heavy paper. All right, no 310 black. They have 823, no 550 purple, no 939, no 3371, We're using B5200 for the white. And you have 6 colors in backstitch. None of any of them except for the 823 that I've heard of. Huh. Well, it's going to be interesting. I'm frothing at the bit. Can you tell? There's a lot of thread there. Okay. I don't know. Let's take a look. Nice new thread card. There's 2 of them. So you have lots of purples, kind of a brick red, and another brick red. Very pretty purples, yellows, and blues. Your B5200, I recognize that one. More blues. Kind of a dark, kind of a greenish teal instead of a bluish teal, because here's your blue teal. Kind of a deep rose color. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. I'm anxious. I'm anxious. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. It is serged all the way around. Now this one, what did it say it was? It lied. 53 by 37. Okay? 53 by 37. This part is 52.5 by 37. Huh. Weird. Actual picture size is 11.25 inches, or almost 30 centimeters that way. It's another partial. I'm trying. It's just more squarish. Alright. 17.5 or 44.5 centimeters. It's going to be beautiful, guys. Just absolutely beautiful. I have no idea where to start the thing. But it is absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It does have the name and the product numbers. Very nicely done. Very nice key. Very easy to see symbols and numbers. Paper pattern on both of these will not match the canvas. And you can see it's a partial because of all these great big, I'm kind of moving it, great big areas. But very nice. It says wedding supplies too. I don't know, I just like the picture. I don't care if it's for a wedding. It doesn't look really wedding-y at all to me. I just like all the elements. So very, very nice, beautiful, and nice, smooth, typical Joy Sunday. It is a little bit thicker and stiffer than the other one, but, you know, we're not going to hold it against it. And I was looking to see, might have a little bit more confetti in it, but, you know, not too bad. Things seem to run in rivers, like up in here. I don't know if you can tell the different symbols. So it's not too terribly bad at all. I love that bird. It is so cool looking. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for these 2 gorgeous kits. Now, Diamond Art Decor, if they have any specials or if I have a discount code, it'll be in the beginning of the video and below. And if they have any specials, I will put that in the beginning and in the description below. Now, they do have free shipping on orders over $49. They have cross-stitch, diamond painting, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They also have scrapbooking and quill paper and the wax stamp. And they have 3D greeting cards. Never seen those anywhere. So, check that part out. They only do custom in diamond painting, but they have great prices and a great selection. So check out their new store, and I wish them luck with their new store. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it... I have diamonds. Do you see this? It's driving me crazy. I have to get rid of them somewhere. Yep, I have a whole bag of them. They're waiting. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.